good? Y'all good? Y'all good? You good? You good? You're not good? Fuck it, doesn't matter. I'm way too cold for it to matter, man. Woo! Y'all cold over there? Okay, just making sure it's not just me. And when white people cold, that's how you know it's really cold. When I wanted to come out here, I was gonna wear a hoodie and a skull cap, but then I was like, nah, I'm going west of Sepulveda. Fuck it. I'm gonna wear my cardigan and glasses. White people feel safe anytime I do this move right here. Anytime I fix my cardigan right here. Wouldn't know how to describe me to the cops, sir. What did he look like? One of the good ones. That's why I wear it, no lie. That's why, look, you got glass on, you understand. Like if I take my glass off and look at everybody like this, it's this angry black guy that's on stage. But if I keep this face and put glasses on, I look like I'm thinking about something. Baby, this one's lost. Just no one takes me serious. I changed up my look because I'm originally from the South. I dressed like I was from the South when I first moved out here. And now I kind of got this little look because the South is different. Who's from the South? Yeah, you are. What part? Ugh. And I'm from Arkansas. Like, I didn't know until I moved out here this entire time my mom was not drinking Merlot. Go get my Merlot, baby. I'm like, I said it at dinner. It was like, hey, I want a Merlot. They like a Merlot. I was like, nope, there's a T right there. Right there. Right there. I didn't know what an albino was growing up. I didn't know what an albino was. I thought Matt was an albino. He's like, I'm black. I said, he's black. The whole fuck, I was reaching for my pockets, don't even looking for anything. Just, he's black. He's black. I need some gum. I didn't know. I grew up with a black mom, so I got used to hearing things like, boy, if you don't get your act together, I will beat you until the white meat shows. The white meat. Act up again, see if I don't slap the what? The black off you. It's universally known in the black community that our moms have the ability to slap the black off. Underneath this black skin, I'm really Caucasian, man. Just like you. Slap the black off. So in second grade, when I saw my first black albino, I said, that's a bad fucking kid right there. I'm like, what did you do to have your mama slap the entire black? And if you see them, like, they kind of look like Skittles with the flavor sucked off. Have you sucked the flavor off the rest? I move out here with my son. My son is 22 years old now. Yeah, no, don't wow, don't woo, don't. I only got 2 more minutes, 1 minute now. I had my kid in high school. Very first time I ever had sex, I knocked up a lesbian that wanted to try out men. Bro, not even the cheerleader lesbian either. Like, me and my baby mama were both handsome at prom. She's behind me, holding me, and I'm like leaned back in her Letterman jacket and my name is Willie Macc. Thank you all for listening to me. I appreciate it.